In a cozy nest, nestled on a branch of an old oak tree, Chinky, a sparrow with bright eyes, woke up to the first rays of dawn. She peeked out, eager to wake her partner, Cheepo. Today, they had to hunt for insects, to feed their hungry chicks. Cheepo was still fast asleep, his head tucked under his wing. Chinky gently nudged him with her beak. Cheepo, wake up. We need to go hunting, the chicks are starving. Cheepo fluttered his eyes open, blinking for a moment. He chirped and hopped out of the nest. They both flew off the tree and soared towards the fields. As they searched for insects, Chinky spotted a large web spun on a tall wheat stalk. Cheepo, look. So many flies there. We can take them all back for the chicks. Cheepo approached the web cautiously. But Chinky, that's a big spider's web. It's much bigger than us, we can't fight it. Chinky pondered. Maybe you're right, Cheepo. But we have to do something. The chicks are waiting. Suddenly, Chinky had an idea. She flew closer to Cheepo and whispered her plan. Cheepo listened and nodded in agreement. They worked together. Chinky started picking insects from one side of the web while Cheepo created a commotion on the other side. The spider, startled by the noise, rushed towards the side where Cheepo was chirping loudly. As soon as the spider reached the other side, Chinky quickly gathered as many insects as she could from the web. Then, they both flew away swiftly, returning to their chicks with their beaks full of food. The chicks chirped excitedly upon seeing their parents and squawked for food. Chinky and Cheepo happily fed them, creating a peaceful scene in their tiny nest. Later that night, as Chinky and Cheepo perched on a branch gazing at the moonlit sky, they reminisced about the day. They knew they were a strong team, always finding ways to care for their chicks, no matter the challenge.